Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product for all the 3D printing enthusiasts out there, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 and Wash and Cure 3.0 Resin 3D Printer Bundle. We found this impressive kit online, and we've included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what this product brings to the table. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 is not just another resin printer, it's designed to deliver exceptional levels of detail in your prints. With a resolution of 9024 by 5120, it boasts a remarkable 105% increase in print precision compared to its predecessor, the Mono 2. Each pixel on this printer is just 17 by 17 micrometers, which means you can expect intricate designs and dynamic richness that truly stand out. One of the standout features of the Photon Mono 4 is its powerful light source. Utilizing ANYCUBIC's LighTurbo matrix technology, this printer ensures stable, balanced, and uniform lighting. This innovation minimizes layer lines and rasterization, resulting in models with ultra-smooth surfaces. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, achieving maximum detail in your prints has never been easier. Size matters, and the Photon Mono 4 does not disappoint in this department. With a generous maximum build volume of 6.04 inches by 3.42 inches by 6.49 inches, or 153.4 millimeters by 87 millimeters by 165 millimeters, you'll have ample print space to tackle daily tasks or demanding projects. Whether you're printing miniatures, prototypes, or detailed models, you'll find that the build volume is more than sufficient for most needs. The bundle also includes the Wash and Cure 3.0, which is a perfect companion to the Photon Mono 4. The Wash and Cure 3.0 has a 42% increase in cleaning basket capacity compared to its predecessor, the Wash and Cure 2. This makes it an excellent choice for LCD, light curing, 3D printers with a size of 7.3 inches or less. With a total volume of 4 liters, it can handle larger and more complex models, ensuring that your prints are impeccably cleaned and cured. Another innovative feature of the Wash and Cure 3.0 is its gooseneck light design. This unique design increases the energy output by an impressive 30,000 UW/cm superscript 2 within a 1 to 3 cm irradiation range. This means you can achieve a stronger curing effect on intricate areas, such as the tops of models and the hems of garments. If you're creating highly detailed or delicate structures, this feature is an absolute game changer. So, who is this bundle suitable for? The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 and Wash and Cure 3.0 are ideal for both beginners and experienced users. If you're just starting with resin printing, this bundle provides everything you need to get going, along with advanced features that will grow with your skills. For seasoned professionals, the enhanced precision and cleaning capabilities will elevate your projects to a new level of quality. In terms of practical use cases, this printer is perfect for creating miniatures for tabletop gaming, intricate jewelry designs, prototypes for product development, or even artistic sculptures. The possibilities are virtually endless, and with the quality that the Photon Mono 4 offers, you can be confident that your creations will impress. In conclusion, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 and Wash and Cure 3.0 Resin 3D Printer Bundle is a powerful combination for anyone looking to step up their 3D printing game. With its high resolution, advanced lighting technology, and ample print size, it's designed to meet a variety of needs while delivering exceptional results. Thanks for watching. If this video helped